Guess who? Yep, it's me, Ruby Roo, along with my trusty pal, Ruby. We're here and excited to learn some fun new things. So, bring on that magic wheel. There it is! Spinning the wheel. Art! Yes! Art is my favorite. Colors, creative stuff, I just love it. What's that, Ruby? Oh, you don't really like art? I know you struggle with it a bit because you have no hands, but don't you worry. We'll do this together. Wow, what do we have here? Okay, we have a tray. We have some lemons. We have measuring cups, some food coloring, a knife, a spoon or two, and it seems like it's baking soda. All right, Ruby, what do we do now? Make the lemons into color volcanoes. Wow, Ruby, color volcanoes sound amazing. But how do we make them? What? Well then, take the lead, little buddy. You're in charge. Okay, step 1. Cut the tops and the bottoms of the lemons, but because we're using a very sharp knife, you must be super careful. Ask your parents or a very responsible adult to do it for you, or to certainly help you. Ready? Ruby, you have to be the responsible one. All right, taking the lemons, cutting the tops off, and the bottom. There. Step 1 complete. Next instruction. Carve the insides of the lemons out and then add food coloring. All right, little buddy, this could get messy. I'm excited. Carving out the insides. This is kind of like carving a pumpkin, Ruby. Okay, now for the food coloring. A little blue for this lemon. Ooh, that looks nifty. Since the lemon's already yellow, I'm gonna go with red. All right, great job. Now add a spoonful of baking soda to the inside of the lemons. Okay, something's happening. What's that, Ruby? Mash them up to see what happens then? Okay, I can certainly mash them up. Should maybe make them react more. Wow, look at them bubbles! So that's what a color volcano looks like. Oh, I see. So the citric acid from the lemon is reacting with the baking soda to create carbon dioxide gas, aka the bubbles. Wow, it's just like a can of soda. Mission accomplished. Great job. I couldn't have done it without you. Well, friends, we'll see you next time for more fun learning. Hello! Ruby Roo here, and I'm back ready to fill my brain with some fun new facts, thanks to the magic wheel, of course. Are you ready, Ruby? Let's do this. Oh, there it is. Time to spin. I love art. This is amazing. I love making things way more than breaking them most of the time. What's this? It looks like we have a jug of water. We have some food coloring. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plastic cups and some paper towels. I guess the magic wheel thinks we're gonna spill some water, doesn't it? Well, we'll show it. Make the water walk? Ruby, I'm I'm not a magician, and that sounds like magic. What's that, Ruby? You think you know what to do? Okay, little buddy, you take the lead. Okay, let's see. Fill 4 of the cups with water. Not all of them, Ruby? If you say so, little buddy, let's count out 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now to pour in some water. There. Okay, now to add the food coloring. What do we have here? Purple, red, blue, and yellow to the cups. You got it. Here's blue. And red. And yellow. And lastly, purple. But, how do we make purple again? That's right, mixing red and blue together. So we'll add a little bit of blue first. And a little bit of red. And voila, purple! Okay, the red and blue, it's not mixing very well. I just wish, Ruby, that I had a spoon to mix it. Thanks, Ruby, you're a real pal. Okay, red and blue, stir it together. Voila, purple. Okay, you want me to put the empty cups in between the full cups. All right. Ta-da! It's kind of like a rainbow, almost, but with bits missing. I mean, if you really think about it, you would have orange, green, and indigo, but they're not here. All right, next step, fold bits of paper from the paper towel roll into bridges and connect the cups. I guess the paper towels weren't for mopping up mistakes after all. Whatever the magic wheel says, okay? I'm gonna fold it hamburger style, and then again, and one more time. And fold it down like this, and put it into your cups like a little bridge. All right. Ta-da! The paper towel bridges are absorbing all the water, but I don't think that counts as walking water. What now, Ruby? Aw. Wait, but for how long? Hey. What is it? Whoa, we did it! I mean, look, the water has moved along the towels into the empty cups, and the colors have even mixed to create new colors. Amazing! This is just like magic. Oh, you're right, Ruby. It's not magic, it's science. Well, join us again next time, friends, for even more learning fun. Finally! I've been waiting forever for this strange machine to do something. It says, play Ruby Roo level 6. But wait, how do I play the game? I'm stuck out here. How do I get back in the game? Maybe...
Whoa! What am I doing here? This is so strange. 1 minute I'm in a park fighting fires. The next minute I'm wherever this place is. A factory? I must be in another level. Ruby, I forgot you were here.
Ooh, what's this? Outfits? That's kind of cool. Ooh, not that one. That's cute.
Whoa, somebody changed my outfit.
Activate friendship mode. Accept.
Ruby, you're real? And you're here? What are you doing here?
What are you doing in my game and who are you?
I'm Sandra. I'm the one who plays you in the video game.
Play me? What is that supposed to mean? Rubik!
Oh!
You have Rubik! Rubik back?
I don't even know how I got it. Sure. Here you go. Ruby, can you help me get out of here? The game brought me here when you used the swap power up, and I think you're the only one who can get me home.
I don't know how to do that. I'm sorry. I mean, I do quests, and that's what I'm good at. I wish I could help, but...
Ruby, wait.
Oh, new quest. Work together for a power-up.
Yes, I knew it. I knew if we worked together that you can help me get home.
Listen, I'll go complete the quest, and you stay there where it's safer, Sandra. Don't worry. I can work together on my own.
No, I think I better come with you.
So how did you get here anyway?
I think you brought me here when you used the swap power.
Sorry, I didn't know it would do that.
It's okay. At least you're trying to help me get back home. You're taking responsibility.
Oh, what's a responsibility?
It means doing your job. Ouch, that was a really bumpy ride.
Yeah.
Oh dear.
What is this?
Bad luck, Ruby. Very bad luck.
New challenge. Cross the obstacle course without touching the floor for 20 more points.
Without touching the floor?
Oh, and tied together. Okay, Sandra, I can't fail this. I've never failed a challenge before.
Well, we better get started. Okay, we gotta work together on this.
All right.
Okay, how about we both grab this at the same time? 1, 2, 3. We got this. 1, 2, 3, go! Yay, we did it! And we didn't even touch the floor once!
I know, and I know exactly what to spend our root points on.
Woo! That was so cool!
We did it! We worked together!
Scissors? You can cut us free!
Maybe you better do that. I've never used
Okay.
these before. Does that mean...
Yes!
Does that mean we completed the challenge?
I think so, right?
Aw, come on. We have more to do, but we work together.
You know, there must be something else. Maybe we didn't do enough?
Okay, I have an idea, Sandra. You go that way, and I'll go that way, and then we'll finish the quest in half the time. That's it.
But Ruby, wait!
Well, don't worry, Sandra. We got this, and we'll finish quicker.
Poor Ruby. She's always worked on her own. She just doesn't get it yet. Whoa! This is a really cool room. I wish Ruby was here. Huh.
Whoa. Rubik, do you see this? And all that? Build a basket for 20 Roo points? What's a basket?
Ruby, this is the basket. This is what we have to fill for the challenge.
All right, Sandra, I got this. This quest is as good as finished. Why isn't it working? I mean, it's really full. I can see
It is full. Oh, wait, one more ball? No.
Nothing's happening.
You know what, Ruby? We gotta press this button right here.
The button. Can I push it?
Yeah, of course. You can push it. Well, we did it! Look! Ah! Yay! Finally! Thank you so much, Ruby. I could have never done it without your help.
And I could have never done it without your help,
Oh,
Sandra.
thank you.
I'm gonna miss you.
I miss you so much. But don't worry, I'll never be that far away, I promise.
Hey, Ruby! Where'd she go? I guess it's just me and you, old pal. Ruby, you're so funny. Hey there, friends! It's me, Ruby Roo. I'm back with my trusty pal, Ruby, ready to learn some exciting new stuff with a magic wheel. Are you ready, Ruby? Okay then, let's get to it. Okay, time to spin the wheel. Here we go. Art! Amazing! I love art. Ruby, I wonder if we're going to have to paint or sketch something. Whoa! Look at all these ingredients! Skittles! Yay! Very tasty, but I'm not quite sure what they have to do with art. Make your own magic color wheel with the items in front of you. Well, if it wants me to make a color wheel with Skittles, I'm game for it. Okay, ready to arrange some colors onto the plate and make a color wheel. Here we go. Aren't you so glad, Ruby, that we're doing this challenge? It's gonna be so fun. Might take a little while, but we got this. Putting Skittles onto the plate. There, we did it. Hey, Ruby, I thought of an imaginary color, but it just turns out it was a pigment of my imagination. All right, there we go. All my Skittles are aligned perfectly around the edge of the plate. Ta-da! Ruby, that was a lot of work making that color wheel. Do you think you could give me a glass of water? Thanks! Well, there's the glass. I guess I just need the water from here. Okay. Here we go. Pouring, pouring. Much better. Now we just wait, I guess. I wonder what would happen if I... What is it, Ruby? The water! It's super colorful right now. This gives me an idea. I wonder what happens if I pour this warm water in the jug onto the plate of Skittles. Let's try it. Here we go, taking our water, putting it onto our plate. Wait, look! The color, it's spreading, Ruby! What I think is happening is the color on the Skittles is dissolving from the warm water that we put on the plate, and then it's spreading through it like food coloring. Neat! Ah, it looks so beautiful. Well, there you go, Ruby. We did it. Our own magic color wheel. Mission accomplished. Join us again next time, friends, for more fun learning. Until then. Hey there, everyone. Ruby Roo here, and this is my trusty pal, Ruby, and we're back for some really exciting learning challenges. To the wheel, Ruby. There it is. Spinning the wheel, spinning the wheel. Science! Great! A science experiment? This is going to be so much fun. Bring it on. Oh, look at all these ingredients. What do we have here? We have vegetable oil, it seems. We have 2 empty water bottles. We have a cup of water. We have a little bowl of Alka-Seltzer tablets. Then we have food coloring in the front. Neat! Now what are we supposed to do with all of this, Ruby? Make your own lava lamp? That sounds incredible. We have to make a lava lamp based on the items here on the table. But Ruby, I think I'm gonna need your help on this one, little buddy. Okay, step 1. Fill the bottles 3/4 of the way with oil. You got it. Ruby, this is gonna be so much fun. Filling, filling, filling. 3/4 of the way, Ruby. Okay, I think we did it. Next step, fill the remaining portion of the bottle with water. Well, I've got my water. I just wish I had a funnel, you know? Wow, Ruby, you're a real pal, you know? Here we go. Filling up. Whoa. Look, the water, it's going to the bottom. That's so strange. I guess water and oil don't mix, right? Ruby, next is the food coloring. All right, Ruby, what's your favorite color? Red? Great choice. Here we go. Okay, now put the lid on the bottle and give it a little shake to make sure all the color spreads around evenly. Great! Now for the Alka-Seltzer tablets. You ready, Ruby? Are you sure? Okay, here we go. Putting in the tablet. Guess we'll have to break it in half. Here we go. Wow, this is so cool, Ruby. Just like an actual lava lamp. Look at all the bubbles. Neat. So what happens is you put in the tablets and they dissolve in the water and create a gas. But because the water and the oil don't mix, the bubbles rise up and we get all of these colorful bubbles. There we go. Mission accomplished. Great job, Ruby. Great job, friends at home. Join us again next time for more fun, learning, and science. Before we go, though, just one little thing before we hit the road. Bye, friends. We'll see you next time.
Sandaroo from Sandaroo Kids, and I'm here with the newest level of my favorite game, Ruby Roo. I'm so excited it's finally here. We had some real close calls the last few levels. I hope this one goes a little smoother. I can't wait to play. Let's go.
I'm back! We're back, Ruby! Ready for level 9. I can't wait to see what we have to do today. Okay, let's go. Whoa, this place is like on top of the sky. I've never been up so high. What do you think, Ruby? Hello? What is this thing? It's like some sort of invisible barrier. It's so neat and kind of strange.
That's adorable. Ruby has never seen glass barriers before.
New quest. Find your wings. Where would those wings be? Whoa!
way down. Oh man, I hate heights. Ruby must be so brave to even stand up there. I don't think I could do that.
What's that, Ruby? New challenge. Knock down the pins before the timer runs out for 20 Roo points. But what pins? Huh? Oh, down there? I see them. Okay, so what can I use to knock down the... This! I can use these to knock down the pin to the bottom of the slide. This is gonna be so much fun.
That's harder than it looks.
Ruben, it's not working and we're running out of time. I have an idea. Relax, Ruben. I got this. Hold on tight, Ruben.
Oh, I can't look.
Yay! See, Ruben? That invisible barrier on the sky slide kept us in no problem. Nothing to worry about.
Great job, Ruby. Not exactly what I had in mind, but nice work.
What's this? Nifty. There's another one. Whoa, those are cool. What's that? Make the large pink hoop fly?
Make a circle fly for 20 Roo points? How do we make something fly without wings?
Ruben, I have an idea.
Of course, the balloons are filled with helium, and helium is lighter than air. So if you connect a lot of balloons to the hula hoop, it will float upwards since it's lighter.
Oh, it's working! They're flying! The hoop is flying! We made it fly! Yes! Challenge complete! But it still doesn't help me find my wings. I gotta keep looking for those. Come on, little buddy. You have to help me out. I mean, where in the world are those wings?
Oh wow, there they are, Ruby, behind you, behind you.
We did it, Ruben! Look, this is so cool, and they're even the right color. Power up! Flight! What's that, Ruben? Oh, I see what you mean. That is a long way down, and if we're gonna start flying, we should probably start a little bit closer to the ground in the next mission.
Oh wow, that was great. We learned about flight, and Ruby got a flight power up. Pretty nice. Please make sure to subscribe and come back to see Ruby Roo very soon. Bye.
Hey friends, it's me, Ruby Roo, back in the classroom and ready to learn some exciting new things with the magic wheel. What's that, Ruben? Alrighty then, let's get to it. Let's find out what we're going to learn today. Oh, wow! Art! I just love art. Wow, Ruben, what do you think we'll make today? Do you think we'll paint a picture? Or sculpt a model? Paint a rainbow? Well, that seems simple enough, Ruben. I love rainbows. All right, let's start painting our rainbow, and we'll start with the color red. Then the yellow goes here. And then the blue goes down here. We're missing colors though. Orange, green, purple, and indigo. Would you look at that, Ruben? There are the other colors. There's green, it, we made green. And to make purple, we have to mix red with blue. Okay, so we made our purple. It's also called violet sometimes. And it kind of goes below the blue here on our rainbow. Okay, our rainbow's almost done. We just have indigo left. So I wonder, that's it. I can just add a little bit more blue to our purple or violet. We can create indigo or dark blue. Put that right here on my rainbow in between the blue and the violet. Yay! We did it! We made our rainbow complete! Look at all the colors! Who knew that you can make so many colors by just mixing the original 3 colors? We did it, Ruben! Mission complete! Okay, that does it. Join us next time, friends, for even more fun learning, okay? Bye! See you later!
Hey guys, it's Sandaroo from Sandaroo Kids, and it's that time again. Level 10 of Ruby Roo is out, and I can't wait to play it. In the last episode, we were on top of a really tall tower, and Ruby got some wings. We still have that power up if we need it, and I can't wait any longer. Let's play. Oh wow, level up? How cool is that? And check out this new outfit. It's even cuter than the last one. I love it. Come on, let's play.
Ruben, would you take a look at this place? Let's go explore. This place is awesome. There's so much to see already. Wow. I mean, would you just look at it, Ruben? Ruben, we have a new outfit, and I totally love it. It's super awesome. You know, Ruben, somehow I feel stronger and like I have so much more energy. I've leveled up. That is so exciting. I should be able to handle whatever the quest throws at me. Speaking of, here's the new quest now. Find the Jurassic key. I don't really know what a Jurassic is or what the key does, but I can't wait to find out. Where is that key? Should be right around here. That was scary. What's this? The book? Okay, let's see. Wait a minute. Okay, it says here that these must be dinosaurs, or at least, fossils of dinosaurs that were left here from millions of years ago. Neat. What's that, Ruben? New challenge named 4 dinosaurs for 20 Roo points. I can do that. Okay, especially with the help of my book.
This will be so much fun. I love dinosaurs.
Look, this one is a Tyrannosaurus Rex, or in other words, a T-Rex. Okay, so that one is a Stegosaurus, and that one is an Allosaurus. This one is a fierce predator. I better get out of here. Okay, time for a bonus dino. Let's see, we have a Camptosaurus. What's that? Challenge complete, yippee!
All right, off to the next challenge.
What's this, Ruben? Is this an animal? Oh, it's an insect. Well, I think think it's my new favorite animal or insect. I just love this place. What's that, Ruben? New challenge. Find 10 butterflies before the timer runs out for 20 Roo points. I can do that. But I don't think my dinosaur book's gonna help. If only I had a guide or a butterfly guide. I can use this and leave this here and challenge is done. Wow, look at this one. According to my guide, this is a white peacock butterfly. Okay, I think we found a polygamous swallowtail. I think I said that right. What's that? Challenge complete. Oh man, I could stay here all day. But I guess we gotta go look for that key, right, Ruben? Let's go.
I wonder where that key could be.
Okay, Ruben, it says here that the Jurassic was a time when the dinosaurs were around and that they turned into fossils and ultimately were dug out of the dirt. So, if the key is the Jurassic key, then we should be able to find it in the same spot as the fossils in the dirt. That makes sense, right? Okay, so maybe I should look for it where the fossils are, right? Maybe if I dig it out, it'll be in here?
Oh, come on, it's gotta be in there.
Wait a minute. What's this? It's the Jurassic key. I wonder what it goes to. Sure looks important. I think I'll hold on to it.
Wow, what a level! We found dinosaurs, butterflies, and a key. I wonder if next time we'll find out what the key opens. Whoa, what's happening?